Is this your flight home?
All you foreigners need to get out? Is that what you said?
No, I'm saying he said he's saying about that.
But what did you say? Who needs to get out?
All the illegals and shit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, you're going to need to collect your belongings and come with me.
No, I'm fine.
White supremacists getting flown off, getting taken off the plane.
Sir, we need you off the aircraft. Please collect your belongings.
Where am I going to get my next flight?
Let's go. We're going to talk about that outside.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, you got to go too? You got to be kidding me.
Let's go, sir.
That's very good, guys. Yeah, that's really good.
Thanks for being dicks.
They had nothing to do with this, you guys. Let's go.
I didn't say anything. I said
Collect all
fine.
your belongings, please.
That's bullshit.
I know.
Yeah. Happy flight home. Yeah. Hope you stay there.
Oh my gosh.
What did I say?
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Such a dick. Racists aren't welcome in America.
Bye.
This is not Trump's America.
Yeah. Bye.
Goodbye, racist.
Hey, I'll come back. You'll be gone.
Let's
Bye.
move it.
Okay, will you?
Yeah.
Bye now.
That's fucked up.
I can...